Hey everyone, so this video I am going to show you how you can create Kafka topic programmatically. So far, if you have been using Kafka CLI command line to create the Kafka topic, this is going to be one additional skill that you can have and one alternate way that you can create the Kafka topic. And there might be use cases that you need to create the Kafka topic programmatically. So in all those cases, this is going to be helpful. So let's go ahead and get started with the hands-on example. As always, we are using Spring Boot Java, and this is the place where we start. So this Java latest version we are going to pick. Configuration. So I'm just going to name it flight service, and I'm naming it flight service because there is one project that I'm working on end to end. You will see this very soon on the channel, so part of that one, so that is why I'm creating the same service. So this version I am going to pick the latest version, but you can pick any of this as applicable as per your need. So with this one I can just explore it. And okay, so the important part is the dependency, because we are going to interact with the Kafka. So Kafka is the primary dependency that I need. Another one is the web, Spring Web. Okay, so maybe we create the REST endpoint and all that, so that is why this is needed. So these two dependencies, explore it, check the build.gradle. We have version 23 and starter web, Spring Kafka is there. Yeah, now we are good. So just download it, open this in IntelliJ IDE. So that's what I'm going to do. Here I'm using the latest version of IntelliJ IDE. So this is how the UI looks like. There is a change from the older version, the user interface, that's how it was looking like. And I have opened the flight service project in here. So this is just building up. I'm waiting for that one to complete, and the project structure looks as usual that we see in the Spring Boot. One thing, because we are interacting with the Kafka, so Kafka is also needed, right? So let me show you that as well. In the meantime, this is building up. Kafka 3.4.0 is with me. So I have started Zookeeper, I have started Kafka, and here I can see the list of Kafka topics that are already with my Kafka cluster basically. So if I hit this, okay, so these are the 4 topics that are already available, and during our programming we will create couple of more topics that we will be seeing in here. First time it takes more time because it downloads all the dependencies that you have mentioned in the build.gradle basically. Okay, looks like this is complete. So we are going to start with our first class that we are going to create, because we are going to interact with the Kafka. We want Kafka config. Because it is a configuration, we are going to annotate it with configuration. And in here there is one bean that I have to create, KafkaAdmin. This is the pretty important class that is going to help us in interacting, in creating, getting anything in the Kafka cluster, that's there, creating, listing, all those sort of functionalities. So in this configs, I want to put the important thing that is there, bootstrap server, admin client config dot bootstrap servers config, this one. And what locally when I'm running this, its address is localhost 9092. This is the address that I have. And now return new add Kafka admin by passing this config. That's how we have KafkaAdmin instance. Basically, whenever I need this KafkaAdmin, I will auto wire that, and this is the instance that will be injected with that one. Okay, so and this is the config, basic config, just the this bootstrap server config that's needed for now. Kafka config is done. Now we need Kafka topic manager, like where we are going to create the Kafka topics. Okay, and this is the class that is going to work as a service. Here we are going to have a business logic to create, and what is the dependency that it's going to be Kafka admin basically. Okay, and let's create a constructor so that it's injected in here. Okay, not an issue, we are going to access it very quickly. So let's create topic if not exists, and the return type that we are going to have, let's say boolean. It is going to not void but boolean. It is going to return with the status true or false. If it created, true, otherwise false. While creating the topic, what are the configurations, what are the inputs that I want? I want topic name, single topic name first, and the second is partition, number of partitions, and the second one is the replication factor. Okay, so this is what so by default I'm going to return as a false, that it's not created basically. So replication factor, partition, and this we are going to have. To create the topics, admin client is the utility class that we can use. Dot create, and in here we are going to pass configuration properties. Introduce local variable in here. So it is like this is the auto closable. Basically this is the resource that is going to create it, and we need to close that one. So that is why it is suggesting to go with the try with resource option. That's what we are going to do. And we have try, so we are going to have this exception as well. Handle the exception accordingly, that's there. Okay, throw new runtime exception. For now we can just send this exception that issue in creating topics. Okay, now let's do our part in here. Admin client dot these. So if you see this admin client and just click the dot, you will see the different options, what are all methods that are there. So what I have to create the Kafka topic. So before creating, I have to check whether topic exists or not. So I'm going to check list topics dot names dot get, because this is the future that it is going to return, and this contains what our topic name basically. So this is all going to be in the if block, right? If it contains, right? If it does not contains actually, then go ahead and create that Kafka topic. Create topics. It takes collection of topics basically. Collections dot singleton, and then I'm going to pass the topic name. Okay, and if you see this collection, what it takes the topic name but not the string. It takes, there is this class new topic, inside that these are the things, right? So because while creating the Kafka topic, these are the basic configurations that you have to give: topic name, partition, and then the replication factor. Okay, does not, let's see this one. Okay, int short. Okay, this is the sort one, that it is basically the type that it's there. So let's change this type, and we will expect the same thing. Whoever is calling this one, it will be passed, taken as this one. And this is the new topic that it is going to take up in here, and that's how it is going to create the Kafka topic for us. Okay, and in here I can go ahead and print that topic plus topic name created. Okay, so this topic name got created properly. And else what we are going to put in here, if this is not the case, topic name already exists. All right, so these are the so that is all that we are good with the create topic if not exist. We expected the configurations, admin client created, checked it, and now you can see you can do a lot of other things, like you can list out the topics and other things using this admin client in here. Okay, and when it created topic, so we are going to return true from here. Okay, otherwise it is going to do this one, and by default going to return the false, that topic not created. So this is the only case when it creates the topic, otherwise not. Okay, so now we have to use this one, right? Check topic if not exists. So how can let's go ahead and create that class that we have, Kafka. I can name it Kafka topic initializer. Okay, and how I initialize it, so there is this class, not sure if you know, command line runner, implements command line runner, and there is this utility method that is run, and whenever the service is starting, it will execute. We can annotate it with @component, and in here, and here what is the dependency that it will take? Kafka topic initialize, no, not this one, Kafka topic manager. Create the constructor out of this one, and from this topic manager dot create topic if not exists. So let's say I am naming the name of the channel CodeFarm topic. I want the replication factor 3. I want the replication factor to be 1 only. Okay, yeah, that's all. We can just say topic create or whatever is there, like I don't want to use the return type, but yeah, that's all. If I start my application, this method is going to be triggered in, this method will call this one, and this is how the logic will be executed. Okay, so these are the suggestions that it is giving, so you can improvise on this one and do this one, but for now we are good. And this is the flight service application. I can go ahead and run this one, and I will see my Kafka topic created in the cluster. And for this, I don't have to call any endpoint or anything. This initializer, Kafka topic initializer that I had, that implements the command line runner, it informs the system that uh, call it when the service is running. So if you inspect the log, so I can see this in here only, topic CodeFarm topic created. So just to double check on this one whether it created or not, go to this CLI in here. I'm just going to list the topic. So this is the command. I'm on Windows machine. So this is the Windows.Kafka topics bad list bootstrap server, this one, and just hit this one. I should be able to see the CodeFarm topic created in here. Okay, come on. In addition to these 4 topics, I should be able to see the 5th topic, that is CodeFarm topic in here. Okay, so this is working perfectly fine. And just to double check whether it is not creating and doing anything wrong, just restart the system and it should not create the topic again, and I should be able to see the other log that this topic already exists. Yeah, topic CodeFarm topic already exists in here. Okay, so that is it, and as per the use case you can plug in this piece of code to create the topics in your big projects, that whatever you are working on. So if you like the video, hit the like and subscribe button, share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.